from San Jose, First VU Freeway, 17 South to Los Gatos. This is Campbell. We need to try about 7 miles and take exit Super Road. This is exit Super Road. This overpass of Super Road, and we take this exit Super Road. We turn right here for to other side of 17th. Turn right. To other side of Freeway 17. And then we'll see Super Road. We turn left of Super Road. Turn left on Super Road and follow this way about 1 mile. After 1 mile on the Super Road, we turn left on Santa Cruz Highway, right here. Nestldown, right hand side, you will see a 4 mailbox. And we will come downhill right here. Very welcome to see you at this Saturday at here, Nestldown.